Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another vlog. Oh gosh, it is getting closer to Christmas. Today is December 12. Yeah, December 12. 2 weeks na lang. 2 weeks na ba? Yeah, 2 weeks na lang. And it's going to be Christmas. My decor. So, I have a hair client today and yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. I have really been wanting to go home sa Pilipinas. But since yun nga, COVID, and ang hirap mag-travel, so, we just decided na hindi na lang uwi kasi yun nga, mahirap. And then, 2 weeks kasi magka-quarantine. Ewan ko lang, kasi sa Manila, yung bagsak ng walang Nagoya to Cebu, I guess. So, Nagoya, Manila, and then Cebu. So, mag-swab test, and then mag-stay ka ng ilang days pa rin doon. Hindi ko alam kung ilang days. So, yun. And also, pagbalik dito sa Japan, may 14 days quarantine kami before starting sa work. So, yung allowed na days lang na mag-absent is 3 weeks lang. So, my God, my heart is aching so bad. I wanna see Baba and Sashi. Sana matapos na tong COVID and yeah, sana matapos na. So, it's going to be a chill day today, I guess. It's because dalawa lang aking client and yung isa is only haircut. Yeah, so ayun, yun yung gagawin natin. Hopefully, matapos ako ng maaga because I wanted to I wanted to like rest. Madilim guys, sorry. Pero I need to hang this one. Ayan, dito ako CR. I wanted to finish early so that I could like rest early. It's because I'm not feeling so well. Yeah. Hoy, hindi yun COVID ano lang, allergy, seasonal allergies from the winter time. So yun. Sinusitis pala. So, ayan si Rocky leaking outside. Ayan po. So, yeah, I'm just waiting for my client today and hopefully I'm gonna see you all later. Hey friends, so it is still 4 p.m. but look how dark it is already. Grabe. So I just finished what's that doing here? It's 4 p.m. but it's dark. So it's now time to eat. Ngayon pa lang kami kakain ni Ruki. Grabe. Kasi din nagtatawanan pa while doing hair and stuff. So sarado. Hoy, open the door. It's so cold here. Ayan, so yeah, grabe na guys. It's so dark already. Kakain na lang muna kami kasi hindi pa kami napag-lunch ni Ruki. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan kami kakain. Let's see where Ruki is gonna take me. So finally, I have my coffee. It is already 5. And yeah, I think this is the first meal of my day today because I got busy. That's usually my day.
It's not your day.
pag may client ako guys, hindi na ako nakaka-remember kumain.
If it's my day, it's not your day. Definitely.
What?
If it is my day, it's not your day.
Ang sarap ng kape. Nandito pala kami sa Joyful. Nandiyan na yung pagkain ni Ruby pero yung sa akin wala pa. But I'm gonna eat fries kasi dito lang po. Kumuha din kami ng fries because we're so hungry. I'm so hungry. Ang maganda lang dito sa Joyful is unlimited yung drinks. I can drink a lot of coffee. Wow, Rookie's foodie looks so delicioso. This is fish. Comes our foodie, mine, which is pepper hamburger. Peppa hamburger. Peppa hamburger, not paper. That's Rookie's foodie yan. Of course, price. Napakita ko na kanina. I cannot wait to eat. Ha? Snake ba to? Buang. No. No. Itadakimasu. So I'm having parfait. Yeah. Chocolate parfait. Perfect for the cold weather.